Alright guys, welcome back here. We're about to start getting the paint done on our 2004 Road King. Doing a new color, we've never done this before. It's called Leadfoot Gray. It's a Ford color, it comes on some of the F-150s and Mustangs and stuff like that. Super stoked about it. We're ready to get started and start getting this stuff prepped.
I'm going to fix this little beam right here first. It's the only bad spot in it. DA it down.
Do you take these emblems off too?
I'm going to take them off.
Okay.
I'm going to wipe this first.
That way then it can be drying while we're doing the rest of our stuff. On the Road Kings, this little fuel gauge, it just pops out. I'm gonna go ahead, you gotta pull the connector apart so it slides through the middle of the tank. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that apart real quick. Oh yeah.
Getting in there. We're not reusing these, are we?
Hell no. I think those emblems are ugly.
I like them without emblems.
Me too, it looks way cleaner. And they're on there good though, ain't they?
Double side tape.
Alright, JT's finishing up getting this other little ding covered up so that everything's perfect when we get to sanding on it.
Alright. Let that dry. Let's get on these covers.
JT says he's going to give me a shot at painting some of this stuff too. We'll see if that goes through. Maybe I'll mess it up, maybe I won't. You going to let me paint for real? No.
I might let you put some base coat on.
We'll see. Good.
We're sanding this with 320 grit sandpaper. This Fender's brand new. I'm just going to lightly scuff it up, give it something to adapt to. Get this stuff painted.
We got the side covers already all done. We're going to knock all this out in one day. Hopefully. Every time we say that, it doesn't work out.
What are you doing there, buddy?
I don't have a clue. I'm rubbing sandpaper on this thing like I know what I'm doing.
It ain't much to it, man. It's a brand new part. All you do is just scuff it, get something to make the paint stick to it. We're gonna spray a coat of primer on it, and we'll put the base coat and the clear on it, and that piece is, like I said, it ain't rocket science. It's pretty damn easy. You're doing a good job, sir. Good job. Make a body man and paint man out of you.
No, I ain't never gonna do that.
Just gonna knock this down a little bit before I take it and block it.
So what you got going on right here?
The broke man's paint blocker.
Okay.
Old paint stick. Wrap the sandpaper in it.
Just keeps it flat or whatever, I guess?
Keeps it knocked down smooth.
Okay. Alright, so we're having to go in here and put a second layer on just to make sure everything's perfect on it.
Yeah, need to be wiped again. Just to be safe.
We're going to go ahead and take care of that on both sides too, where the dings were. And I'm knocking out, getting all this stuff done too. Almost there. Still got the fender, which came painted. So I don't know how much work that is. I'm about to find out. One more bag, one more lid. So this is our 23-inch custom wrap fender we got. The stock fenders won't work with the 23. 21s you can make work, 23s too much. But this one came painted already black, and it was like, it's cheap. It's like 120 bucks ready to go. But you guys are going with a different color. Of course, we got to go ahead and scuff it up.
We would have left it black, but we had a lot of comments wanting that kind of shiny gray. I call it flat, like shiny primer, which I call it, don't you?
Yeah, I mean that's what it looks like.
We had a lot of people wanting us to do a bike that color, so
can't keep doing black. JT's getting the last saddlebag finished up here, and then
we're about to be painting pretty damn soon.
Still got to scuff that up. Is that going to be dry in a minute?
Yeah, I'm about to knock it down and scuff the rest of the tank.
Here's a little hint on our next project.
Alright, I had to wipe these dings one more time. They're a little deeper than what I thought, so I blocked them down the first time. I run my fingers over them, just had to go over and wipe it one more time to get it real getting smooth. I'm going to knock this down, spray some primer on it, and scuff the tank and get it ready to paint. Twain's going to start moving all this stuff in the paint booth, get it washed down, get the paint booth ready to go, and we're going to spray what you call, it's called PPG DP on this stuff, and then we'll spray the base coat right on top of it and put the clear on it. Speed the process up a little bit. We're trying to knock this bike out good for you guys.
Hell yeah. Alright, last final little scuffing, make sure everything's scuffed up and even. And we're off to the paint booth.
Okay. Alright, we got the tank in the paint booth. It's scuffed down with 320. Got the 2 dings filled. About to spray some primer on them. And we're getting close to painting.
Got all of our stuff set up here, and we're gonna go ahead and put some water on the ground, knock some of this dust down, go over our stuff with wax and grease remover, and spray the base coat. There's our color. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Alright, we're gonna take some 600 grit water sand and block our primer spots down on both sides. We fix the dents. That way we'll be ready for the base coat tomorrow. I said, we're going to wipe this down, scratch this, and then come back behind and wipe the residue off. And then after this is done, go back to the tack rag and dry this, tack rag and stuff off. And then we'll start painting. Woohoo! Tack rag and all, it's getting all those fine, lid, kind of imperfections on it. We
Just keep.
Like the sealing on it. Replace it all around.
Does it just keep trash from getting in the paint and stuff, basically? Once again, we'll go ahead and do that to all of our stuff.
Yeah, we're going to put a sealer on this. What's crazy is the sealer is about the same color.
Is it really? Got 2 coats of sealer on here now. JT's about to lay down the first base coat, which is probably going to look the same after we're done, honestly. Alright, finally about to lay down the clear here and make it all shiny, but it's looking really good right now. totally all done, all slicked in, got the clear on it. Just gonna do a quick walkover. Man, I love this color. It turned out perfect. Heck yeah, I'm pumped about that. This bike's gonna look badass. I can't wait. Cannot wait to get it together.